Amanda's two fisting it. Hey there, Wake viewers. Welcome back to the channel. Man, do we have a good one for you today. Do you like monkeys? Do you like sloths? Do you like parrots? Do you like iguanas? Do you like a dog leading the way on your ferry? We've got all that today. So we spent the day in Roatan and we took a three-part tour. It went to Daniel Johnson's Monkey and Sloth Hangout, and then we went to Arch's Iguana, and then we went to Brady's Key, however you want to say it. It was a very packed day. It was a fun-filled day. We had a lot of fun, and let's get into it. You got to see it. Let's go.
Under the sun, with a drink in hand, friends all around, living life so grand. Cruise ship sails on, we're drifting away, laughing and singing, it's a perfect day. Watching the wake, it's a beautiful sight, making memories, feeling so fine. At the outward, we're catching the breeze, sipping on good times, just us and the sea.
Good morning, Wake viewers. We're going to Roatán, Honduras this morning. Weather looks a little iffy. Check this out. There's about a 50% chance of rain today, but we'll see what happens if our excursion gets canceled or not. We're going to Brady's Key. We're going to their Monkey and Sloth Preserve and to an Iguana Preserve. And then at the end of that we'll go to Brady's Key for a beach day, but I don't know how much of a beach day we're going to have. It may get canceled, it may not. They say rain or shine, but if it gets nasty and thunderstorming, I'm sure they'll cancel. Hopefully, we'll be able to go and at least do some of it. So, come along with us today. Looks like we're gonna have some company in town. Harmony of the Seas over there. Grandeur of the Seas over there. There's another ship on the other side of Harmony. We'll probably look at it later. And I believe I saw the Carnival Venezia over there on the other side. It's gonna be a full day in port. Hopefully the rain stays away. Checked in, ready to go. You ready to go, Amanda?
I'm ready.
Let's do this.
Don't say
Yeah, hopefully no rain today. If you saw the bus behind us in the previous clip, man, these things were tight. You really got to know your neighbor. We're here at Daniel Johnson's Monkey and Sloth Preserve. We're gonna go see some monkey and some sloths. You ready, man? Ready. Let's get this done.
is right behind me. These are our spider monkeys. This is Tuna above over here on my right. This is Tony following me over here. He was actually our first rescued animal for the sanctuary, so it's thanks to him that we're here today. Don't worry, we don't take you guys inside here to interact. Apart from them being pretty big, they're known for being short-tempered. Okay, so they get mad real fast. We just stop by to say hello. I'm gonna give you some seeds, buddy. Hold on. There we go. They do live about 40 to 45 years in captivity. If anybody's wondering if she's pregnant, nah, she's just a little bit big bone. Okay, guys? So we got Kuna and we got Tony. All the animals here come from the mainland of Honduras. They're not native. We're found naturally on Roatan. They're the product of the animal trade that happens here in the country or region. People think they're cool to have as pets.
In April of 2025, the Honduran government changed the law about holding sloths. You can see Amanda looking lovingly at the sloth. She really wanted to hold one, but I'm sure it's for the best interest of the sloths that the law was changed. You can get close to them like she is here. If they reach out and touch you, they touch you, but you cannot reach out and touch them. Yeah.
You up?
Yes.
Come on, Lo.
Woo!
You ready? All right. Yeah, go ahead. Open it up the most a foot and a half. Come on.
That is so cool.
Oh, here you go, Mom. Yeah, Rose. So you.
What is it?
He's talking to you.
Oh, yeah. That's the good stuff. You're trying. Give me. Hello. Say hello. You say hello? Hey, yeah. Say hello.
Come on in the middle. Come on in the middle.
I'm sure they will. We'll make her around the circle.
You're volunteering the hot spot.
Just sacrifice.
Feels like it. Sometimes they don't they're not food motivated. They just want to play with you guys, pulling your hair and, you know, checking your pockets and whatnot, you know.
That was almost a tail up my nose.
Oh no.
Get him.
That comes off.
No.
You see?
He knows it too. He did it. At least that makes for some good video.
Yep, that just happened. Took off the cover. Easy there, big fella. He just took a little bite out of the windscreen. I guess we both have a souvenir now. He did come back and apologize and pose for a picture, so we're friends now. Look, twinsies. On to the iguanas. Did you have fun with the monkeys?
That was so weird. I didn't want to leave. I wanted to stay and play with the monkeys.
She wanted to pet a sloth, but
And I wanted to hold a sloth.
it is what it is. Can't do it anymore. Still was fun.
I left my towel. It was nice.
We'll see y'all later.
Have a go.
I don't feel real.
No.
Doesn't feel real. Twinsies.
Twinsies. Oh my goodness. Give him.
That's where they keep the babies.
As you see here, the ones that have the biggest legs in the back, they have a big circle thing around it here. That's your dumb up, and there are the males.
Tastes like chicken.
The ones with small body, the small brain. This tarpon was rescued on the north side of the island 22 years ago, where they were filling up the swamp on the construction. What happened is that they started pulling in for the entrance to the fish coming and go out. So there were a lot then trapped inside the swamp. So basically, Shelby Art, the owner of the park, they rescued as much as they can. They released a lot of them on the north side of the island and a lot of them inside the harbor out here. And they kept 37 of them up inside here.
Not sure if you can see them, but there's some tarpon right there.
Because they have too many bones. They don't want to jump on the seats. They're not just a sandpaper inside. They can actually go up to about 8 to 9 feet long, and they can weigh up to 2 to 300 pounds. Small little gray ones, you guys see some of them. Yeah, they're gonna come.
They'll find it. Here they come. You're feeding them too good.
Oh yeah. 40, 50 pounds of sardines every day.
They're full already.
I see one.
Here we come.
They're gonna show up, man. We don't have to worry about that. Look at the size of this guy right down there.
If you could just get one to breach about 4 foot, that'd be really great.
Ooh, almost.
You're gonna see it right now. Watch this.
Make him jump.
It's only about a 5-minute ride out to the island, but we had a very large group, so they instilled some help from some local water taxis to help them out to get all of our group out there in a timely manner. We thought that was very nice. We made it to Brady's Cay.
I'm excited. The rain has held off so far, so it's a
no
little
rain
cloudy,
so far.
overcast, but it'll be great.
Yes, it's going to be a great time. Let's go.
Yay, let's do it.
Got a nice swing area over here. Got some chairs underneath the tree if you want some shade.
Oh, there he is.
Welcome to Brady's Cay.
Brady's Cay. Let's see what we can get into today.
I don't know.
Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. He's here.
It's a big boy.
My daughter's got one of these.
Oh, you got it. Where's Brady? Where's Brady?
Our package came with lunch and 2 drinks per person. As you can see here, we had some chicken kebabs, rice and beans, and some mashed potatoes there. It took a little bit to get, but you know, we had a big group, and for our inconvenience, they actually gave us a couple extra drinks for free. It's been a little bit of an issue here today. We were able to get our 1 drink, and then it took about an hour to get our food. I don't think they were prepared for our group. There was 4 ships in port today, so I don't know. They should know that, but you know, it is what it is. They're doing the best they can. We're right now waiting on the rest of our drinks, and then we'll get out there to the beach. See you in a bit. Finally, some cervezas.
Daiquiris took forever, but they're good.
Brenda's 2 fisting it.
There you go. Cheers.
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 Got some picnic areas back here. Some hammocks to hang out in. Very tropical looking back here. Some trees that fell down probably during a storm. Back behind the bar here, they got some bathrooms and some showers. Got some cornhole boards out here. You may have seen him earlier. There's a Great Dane running around here named Denver. He's very friendly. He loves to be pet. Usually I have some animals running around out here. He might be hiding today. You may see him on the way out. Here's where we're gonna post up for the day. Cool little area over here to walk around. Got some little old coral heads. You can see where the tide brings in some garbage when it gets real high and during some storms. Pretty cool little area. Got some cactus growing in the coral heads there. Trail continues on out this way. Still some gorgeous views out into the water. Even though it's overcast, it's still beautiful out here. If anybody knows what kind of tree that is, with the red bark, they're kind of twisty looking like that, let us know in the comments below. It's really cool. These little alcoves in here. I found Amanda. Coral coast right here. There's some nice pictures with the water splashing up on them. Watch this little wave come up here. Not too dramatic, but it's cool. See other parts of the island over there. Little tidal pool right here. You can see where the water comes in and out with the tide. That's pretty cool. I bet it really comes out of there when it's rough out here, and the tide gets up a little higher. Very cool. Now we'll follow Amanda through the tropical rainforest.
Looking for creatures.
Looking for the elusive Honduran tourist. They're not too elusive. They're all over this island today. There's 4 ships in town. Yeah, again, here's one of those red bark trees. Please, if anybody knows what they are, let us know. We found out it's a gumbo limbo tree, also known as the tourist tree, because its red bark resembles a sunburnt tourist. We've got some water sports equipment over here. They got some fins. They'll let you borrow a snorkel and a mask. Got some kayaks. Depending on the package you got, it's all included. They got some paddle boards over there, it looks like, too.
Yeah, I'm good.
So you can come out here and have an active day or just a chill hangout day by the bar. Say Roatan. Brady's cake. Just a swinging at the Brady's cake. Good times. There's our British friends out there trying paddleboarding for the first time. And he's down. He's coming to get the margarita. Oh, hold on, Nick. Hold on, Nick. Oh! Oh, this is great entertainment. And margarita success.
That's the link.
And she's got her margarita. Oh, and look at, she's sharing. She's sending it back. She doesn't want the distraction. It's a good day at Brady's Cay here in Roatan. Got some good drinks, some good fun. Got to get out in the water. The sun came out for a little while in the afternoon, so it seems like to be the plan for every day. It's been overcast and the sun comes out for us in the afternoon. It's been a good day. Let's get back to the ship. Lead the way, Denver. Back in the port area, there's a nice bar here with some tables and chairs in the water. A nice pool to cool off in. There's plenty of shops around here, but I'm sure this pool would be very nice if it's hot outside. And of course we had to get the picture right here next to the ship. We were docked here next to Harmony of the Seas, and of course when I'm walking back to the ship I had to take some photos of the awesome murals that are on the side of these Norwegian ships. I just love them. good day at Brady's Cay. And we're back on the ship. We're going to have some dinner with some friends at Moderno. And you can see Harmony of the Seas in the background over there. In port with us today. But yeah, we had a really good time at Brady's Cay. It had some issues when we first got there, but I think they were a little overwhelmed with, there were 4 ships in port. We had a very large group with us, so we just had to pack our patient pants and we got everything done. But it ended up being a great day. Hung out there in the water, drinking some beers with some good friends, telling stories, and that's really what it's all about. Just out here relaxing and just having a good time with good friends. Come on, let's go to dinner. Yeah, and I forgot to mention, we had a good time with the monkeys. We got some pretty good footage of the monkeys jumping around on us. They gave us some seeds, put in our pockets for them to get out, and we had one take a little bit of a bite out of the foam on the microphone cover, so hopefully we got some good footage of them like up close like this. So but all in all, yeah, we had a great day in Roatan, and I highly suggest going to Daniel Johnson's. We had a great time. Even though you can't hold the sloths there, you can get up close and personal with them and get next to them and get a great photo. So yeah, come to Roatan. It's a really great time. Would you like to take a trip like this? Or any trip? Remember, I'm a travel agent. Let me help you plan the perfect vacation for you and your family. All ready for dinner? Let's go to Moderno. I'm ready to get the meat sweats. Let's do this. Big salad bar. You can have the salad. I'm there for the meat. Well, there you have it. Wasn't that fun, man? I'm looking at the windsock on the media mod here, and yeah, it still has the piece missing out of it. I have not replaced it, but it brings back good memories every time I see it. But we had so much fun with the monkeys, and Amanda wanted to hold the sloths, but the law changed, so it is what it is. We still got to get close up with them and see them anyway. Amanda had fun with that parrot on her head, trying to eat her hair. So, and the iguanas were cool. That wasn't the best part, but it was still kind of cool seeing the iguanas. It was probably cool for people who hadn't seen iguanas before. And then Brady's Cay. Oh, we had a blast over there. It had a little bit of a slow start. Like I said in the video, they were a little overwhelmed, I think, for the big group we had coming there, and there were 4 ships in town, and lots of other people meeting out there. So, but once it smoothed out, they even gave us a couple extra drinks for the trouble. So, even after I kept buying beers after that, and I don't remember how many I had, maybe 5 or 6, and I think my bill was like $7, $10. It wasn't a lot. But we had a great time at Brady's Cay, hanging out in the water.
watching our British friends try paddleboarding for the first time. That was a lot of fun. But I'm glad you were there with us, and please, if you like this video, like and subscribe. Put a comment below, and like I always say, if you don't like the video, hit the thumbs down twice. And most of all, we want you to wander, explore, and repeat. Bye, everybody.